Looking for the cutest stationery ever? Come shopping with me! Let's find some cool, creative goodies at this massive art supply store. First up, I'm checking out these bright fabric markers. They are perfect for customizing denim. They also have a whole section for quilling paper and colorful craft tools. Look at these mesmerizing spirals. And check out this infinite wall of vibrant acrylic paint. Now, let's look at the canvases. They have stacks of standard white stretched canvases in every size imaginable. Oh wait, look at this, a black stretched canvas. This would make neon acrylics pop so beautifully. I've never tried painting on a dark background before. Let's explore the paint bottle aisle. There are endless rows of medium jars, varnishes, and acrylic glazes. I'm picking up this gorgeous orange shade, then testing out some chalk paint jars. Look at this matte chalk paint in lavender. There's honestly too much to choose from. Right next to them, they have these oil color tubes. Look at how gorgeous the packaging is. The pigments look super rich. I found this super cute junior sketchbook and just had to flip through the pages. The paper quality feels amazingly thick and smooth, perfect for quick pencil sketches or heavy ink drawings. I spotted these cute jars of colorful glitter and beads. There's honestly too much to choose from. I want them all. Now, let's look at... Oh my goodness! Look at this massive sticker wall! They have adorable smiley faces, Disney characters, and super sparkly rhinestones. If you're a journal lover, this section is an absolute dream. I could spend hours picking out different sheets to decorate my scrapbooks. Next, I stumbled upon these gorgeous tumblers. This floral one with a gold rim and a pink rose pattern is so elegant and aesthetic, perfect for keeping your drinks warm while crafting. And check out these adorable pastel pens. They have little bear characters on top and beautiful gradient bodies. Writing with these would definitely make studying way more fun. These cute mini handheld fans are perfect for hot summer days. They come in sweet pastel shades like lavender and mint green, and some even have little animal ears. I'm definitely grabbing this green one. Look at these unique pens shaped like soft serve ice cream cones. And right next to them is a squishy chocolate donut toy. It's so satisfying to squeeze and super stress relieving. And pearl cases. These Lily of the Valley pens are literally the prettiest things ever. The delicate bell-shaped flower on top is so charming. I also found this cool, vibrant, orange soda bottle-themed packaging. And these quirky pens with cute little combs on top. They're so creative and fun! If you love keychains, they have a whole rack featuring superheroes and fun characters. Plus, check out these vibrant, colorful rhinestone stickers. So sparkly! Moving on, these aesthetic water bottles are absolutely adorable! There's a cute white one featuring sweet couple illustrations. And this lavender bottle with a quirky character pattern. They're perfect for staying hydrated in style. Look at these fun erasers shaped like little pencils. And miniature hamburgers. They also have a massive selection of decorative washi tapes in every pattern imaginable. They even have pastel pink slime buckets. And these heart-shaped storage containers filled with colorful crafting beads. This place truly has everything. To wrap up our haul, look at these fluffy plush toys! This cute Doraemon plush is the perfect ending to our shopping trip.
Thanks for coming along with me.
Incredible creative haul!